Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hair wax for men that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hairdo Styling Clay for Men. Hairdo Styling Clay for Men offers all-day-long hold, making the product excellent for people living an active lifestyle. The product works seamlessly with towel-dried or regular dry hair to deliver that strong hold that lasts no matter the circumstances. The wax will let you style straight, wavy, and/or curly hair equally effortlessly. The formula excels at minimizing frizz and keeping your hair moisturized through the entire day. The company's formula, with its refreshing lemon scent, makes sure your hair just doesn't look but smells good too. It delivers that neat matte look without leaving any residue. In other words, the product is shine-free. At the same time, the formula works wonders plumping up hair, allowing for a fuller look. Moving on at number 4, we have the Smooth Viking Hydrating Fiber Cream. Smooth Viking Hair Styling Fiber for Men doesn't discriminate. The product works with thin hair, thick hair, long hair, short hair, regular hair, facial hair, etc. At the same time, the formula was put together with short hair in mind first and foremost. Whether you want that just out of bed tousled look, or would rather add some thickness to your shorter hairstyle, this is the product to go for. The wax's fibrous texture presents an excellent alternative to gels and different styling creams. It offers that medium hold with a matte finish and minimal shine that looks natural but presentable at the same time. The product-rich formula incorporates regular water, polyquaternium 69, cetyl alcohol, PEG8 beeswax, glycerin, lanolin wax, ethyl hexyl stearate, hydrogenated castor oil, fragrance, parfum, carbomer, rosehip extract, coconut extract, chamomile extract, and green tea leaf extract. All these elements allow the wax to thicken, texture, and increase fullness in thinning hair. At number 3, we have the Tigi Bed Head Matte Separation. Tigi Bed Head is perfect for those defined looks that need more hold and texture. The product's formula adopts water, beeswax, Carnauba wax, castor oil, propylene glycol, bis-diglycerol polyacetyladipate 2, peterlatum, cetyl alcohol, VPVA copolymer, ozokerite, and diethyl hexyl malate. Other than the standard water part, the first two are the biggest contributors here. The beeswax adds structure and fullness to fibers, all while creating that strong hold and massive texture without unnecessary artificial shine. The Carnauba ingredient is a medium-weight wax that makes sure the hold stays strong for long periods and offers excellent style flexibility. At the same time, these elements and the aforementioned polymers provide the necessary separation to keep your hair nice and healthy. The polymers also provide humidity resistance and enhanced definition. At number 2, we have the Suavecito Pomade Firme Strong 4-Pack Hold Hair. Suavecito Pomade is there for pompadours, slick backs, and side parts. At the same time, the product will let you achieve just about any hairstyle. The formula is similar to the company's original pomade product, but this time, the wax has more muscle behind it. The solution's strong hold grips hair just like regular wax, but washes out way easier compared to that regular wax. Its somewhat creamy consistency lets you comb any hair with ease, all while making sure the grip is strong enough for maximum styling flexibility. As far as we're concerned, the product's moderate shine and slightly masculine but mostly unisex, light and fresh scent are equally suitable for men and women. Some might find the scent too strong, but that's where it is all about taste and preference, so we will refrain from making any comments. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRIUS Cosmetics Hair Pomade. Kronos and Creed Organic Hair Pomade is the most affordable product on this list. We don't have any major issues with the pomade except for the fact that the 2-ounce tin doesn't last very long. The product's biggest strength is its completely organic formula. There are no polymers here. The formula contains nothing but Butyrospermum parkii, shea butter, Cocos nucifera, coconut oil, Calpurnia cerifera, carnauba wax, and Pinus sylvestria, pine essential oil. These 4 organically sourced ingredients make your hair appear strong and thick, as well as improve scalp health. The shea butter contains the essential fats, vitamins, and nutrients that work wonders moisturizing the scalp, preventing dandruff and hair loss. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.